Last week was full-on showdown in the Parliament, Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Remember, there was even a no-trust motion that was forwarded against the Rajya Sabha chair, who's also the Vice President, right now, against the backdrop of all of these poor productivity, charges and clashes. Vice President Dhankar, who's also the Rajya Sabha chairperson, has called for accountability of the members of Parliament. He said, and I quote it here from the statement, "Make no mistake, I'm referring to the parliamentarians. People have learned to take disorder as order. There is no sense of revulsion. It is time for every thinking Indian to reflect deeply and hold these with obligations accountable, especially parliamentarians. Hopefully people will write and their thoughts will move." And basically Dhankar is suggesting that parliamentarians consistently, and he hasn't taken a mention of any side here, he said all parliamentarians need to realize the kind of responsibility on their shoulders. And why are you here in the Parliament? People are forcing you to think and you must be held accountable. Remember, in the backdrop of protest, clashes, scuffle, injuries, a washout, when there should have been a platform for discourse.
It is time for every thinking Indian to scratch his brains and to generate a deep sense of accountability with all those who are enjoined with obligations. Make no mistake, I am referring to parliamentarians. In the last quarter of the century of our independence and adoption of Indian Constitution, if the kind of spectacle I had the occasion to see should be a cause of concern, I find there is no concern around. People have learned to take disorder as order. There is no sense of revulsion. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं लोगों की कलम चलेगी, लोगों के विचार चलेंगे, लोग मजबूर करेंगे कि आप सोचिए आप क्यों गए थे वहां.
I want to bring in my colleague Piyush Mishra in this morning telecast. Piyush, good morning. Can we hope that this week will begin and reflective on what the Rajya Sabha chair has said, that you are there in the Parliament for a reason, people will force you to think on this, there is a certain responsibility, or are you expecting today again, this week itself, will be a washout? And I understand that the session is over, but will there be any work done here on by the parliamentarians?
Well, good morning, Pooja, and it was a complete washout of veteran session. Only 4 days we saw, Parliament functioning, 2 days in Lok Sabha, 2 days in Rajya Sabha, and that also when the discussion on a Samvidhan Divas was taking place. Apart from that, we did not see any business taking place, and that is why Vice President and Rajya Sabha chairperson, Jagdeep Dhankar, is forced to give out this message to all the parliamentarians, where he is saying that people will force you to think, why did you go there, why did you go to Parliament? He's also saying, while calling for the accountability among all the parliamentarians, that you should not make any kind of mistake. People have learned to take disorder as order, and these statements are coming in the backdrop of complete washout. Remember that we were speaking to various new MPs, young MPs. In fact, they were also saying across party lines that they wanted to raise issues of their constituency, but because of the continuous disruption, they could not do so. We'll have to see how the next session will go, but yes, political bickering will continue to take place, where both India Bloc and NDA Bloc will take on each other and will raise various issues, and we can again expect disruptions to take place in the next session.
Piyush, keep tracking the latest on that. Remember, again, another session, complete washout, but what will the parliamentarians do? Will they reflect on that responsibility, on what happened? Or perhaps next session we can expect the same?